Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Cities Skylines on Android. While the game isn't directly on mobile, you can stream the full PC version using cloud gaming. This method lets you enjoy the detailed city building experience on your phone or tablet. You'll need a strong internet connection, ideally at least 5 megabits per second, to ensure smooth gameplay and minimal lag. It's a fantastic way to bring your PC gaming library to your portable device. Several cloud gaming platforms make this possible. NVIDIA GeForce now lets you stream games you've purchased on platforms like Steam or Epic Games. Xbox Cloud Gaming, part of Game Pass Ultimate, offers a rotating selection of titles. Other options, such as Boosteroid or Shadow PC, give you a full virtual gaming computer. Each service has its own subscription model and game library, so choose one that fits your needs and existing game collection. To get started, first download the specific cloud gaming app from the Google Play Store onto your Android device. Make sure your phone or tablet's operating system is up to date for best compatibility. While touch controls might be available, a Bluetooth controller or even a portable keyboard and mouse setup will significantly enhance your city building experience. These peripherals offer much greater precision and comfort for managing your sprawling metropolis. For the best experience, consider adjusting the in-game graphics settings to a lower preset within the cloud service. This can greatly improve streaming smoothness and reduce any visual stuttering. If possible, connect your home router to a wired internet connection for the most stable signal. Take some time to learn the controller or touch screen mappings. Mastering these will make managing your city much more intuitive and enjoyable on your Android device.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.